こんにちは、ジャパニーズアモのミサです。Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use どうしても no matter what. 例えば、どうしても日本に住みたい。どうしても日本に住みたい。I want to live in Japan no matter what. So, this どうしてもis often used with this type. So when you want to say, I want to do something no matter what, I want to do something at any cost, I really want to do something, you can use this どうしてもたい or たいです if it's formal, right? So for example, can you try making this sentence? I want to go to Kyoto no matter what. どうしても京都に行きたい。どうしても京都に行きたい。行く becomes 行きたい、right? And you don't have to put this どうしても at the beginning. You can also say 京都にどうしても行きたい。Okay? What about I want to see that film at the cinema no matter what? So, I would say, あの映画はどうしても映画館で見たい。あの映画はどうしても映画館で見たい。If you said どうしてもあの映画を映画館で見たい, that's grammatically correct as well. The reason why I said あの映画はat the beginning with the wa particle is like I'm comparing with other films. It's like I don't mind watching other films at home, but when it comes to that film, I want to see it at the cinema. So あの映画は like as for that film, also notice that I put どうしても in front of 映画館で, right? So although I said you can put どうしても anywhere as long as it's not at the end of the sentence, you put どうしても in front of the word that you wanted to modify the most. So the point of the sentence, to me at least, was to say that I want to see the film at the cinema. You know, not at home or anywhere else, at the cinema. So at the cinema, no matter what. So like I said, you can also say どうしても at the beginning and also use the o particle with あの映画 instead of あの映画は. This way, the nuance changes a little bit. So, どうしてもあの映画を映画館で見たい. This technically means the same and it's also grammatically correct, but it might sound a little bit more natural if you say あの映画はどうしても映画館で見たい. Okay? So let's try making similar sentences. Let's say you've heard of really great sushi place and you want to say I want to eat sushi at that particular restaurant. And for this sentence, you can say 寿司をあの寿司屋で食べたい. Or you can change the order and say あの寿司屋で寿司を食べたい. あの寿司屋で寿司を食べたい. And that's fine. It's very natural as well. But when you want to make it sound like when it comes to sushi, I'm super particular. I know the greatest sushi place, so I have to go to that place. 寿司はどうしてもあの寿司屋で食べたい. 寿司はどうしてもあの寿司屋で食べたい. So remember that どうしても is often used with this たい, right? Verb たい, want to do something. どうしても見たい. どうしても行きたい. どうしてもしたい. どうしてもやりたい. どうしても話したい. どうしても食べたい. And we also use どうしても with 欲しい a lot. So たい is attached to a verb. 欲しい is used when you want to say I want an object. Okay? I mean, it doesn't have to be an object. You can, for example, say 彼女が欲しい I want a girlfriend. 彼氏が欲しい I want a boyfriend. Basically, noun が欲しい。Okay? 例えば、見えるかな？私はどうしてもこのピカチュウのぬいぐるみが欲しいです。このピカチュウのぬいぐるみがどうしても欲しい。どうしてもこのピカチュウのぬいぐるみが欲しい。でも、売り切れてる。But it's sold out. No! みんなのどうしても欲しいものは何ですか？みんなのどうしても欲しいものは何ですか？ What is one thing that you really want? You want no matter what. ピカチュウのぬいぐるみも欲しいけど、どうしても新しいパソコンが欲しいです。今使ってるパソコンは多分壊れてる。Another word that's often used with どうしても is 必要。It's all actually an adjective, right? 必要な。So, どうしても必要 is absolutely necessary. ピカチュウのぬいぐるみはどうしても必要。Pikachu plushies are absolutely necessary for me. みんなのどうしても必要なものは何ですか？よくある答えは多分、パソコン、コーヒー、水、ゲーム、お金、家。仕事にどうしても必要なものと、生活にどうしても必要なもの、コメント欄で教えてください。私は仕事にどうしても必要なものはパソコンです。パソコンとカメラ。生活にどうしても必要なものは、夜間夜間はケトル。お茶をよく飲むので、夜間が必要。お茶って言えばいいのかな？どうしても必要なものはお茶どうしても必要なものは車っていう人もいるかも。Okay, can you try making this sentence? Let's only take what is absolutely necessary. You can pause the video and think. Okay, so using どうしても, right? So what is absolutely necessary? You can say どうしても必要なもの. Easy, right? どうしても必要なもの. And then you want to say only. So you say だけ. And then when you want to say let's take. So first, which verb should we use for to take? Like to take something with you. 持っていく. Okay? 持ってくる is when somebody brings it to you or you bring it to the place where you are right now as you speak. I have made a lesson on this, so check it out. Anyway, in this sentence, you use 持っていく and volitional form, let's take. 持っていこう or formally 持っていきましょう So first, informally, the whole sentence would be どうしても必要なものだけを持っていこう Oh, because this is informal, you can drop that or particle and say どうしても必要なものだけ持っていこうどうしても必要なものだけ持っていこう And formally, どうしても必要なものだけを持っていきましょう Okay, another thing you will see often with どうしても is なきゃ or なければいけないなければいけません have to. So I have to do something no matter what. I definitely have to do something. For example, I have to win no matter what. Can you try? So to win, 勝つ becomes 勝たなきゃ informally. 勝たなきゃ like 刀, right? So easy to remember. Like 刀で勝たなきゃ have to win with my katana. 勝たなきゃ formally you can say 勝たなければいけません. Anyway, first let's try with informal sentence. I have to win no matter what. どうしても勝たなきゃ。どうしても勝たなきゃ。And formally, どうしても勝たなければいけません。どうしても勝たなければいけません。Ugh. Okay. Instead of どうしても you can also say 絶対に、絶対に、absolutely, definitely. Like instead of どうしても欲しい I want it no matter what. You can say 絶対に欲しい。絶対に欲しい。I definitely want it. What about I have to wake up at 5 a.m. no matter what? 午前5時に or 朝5時にどうしても起きなきゃ or you can put どうしても at the beginning どうしても朝5時に起きなきゃどうしても午前5時に起きなきゃ So instead of どうしても we can again use 絶対に and say 絶対に午前5時に起きなきゃ or 朝5時に絶対に起きなきゃ So now we know that どうしても can basically mean the same as 絶対に no matter what or absolutely, definitely. The second meaning is kind of similar, but you use どうしても as no matter how hard one tries. Okay, no matter how hard I try. So どうしても as this meaning is often used with the potential form, especially a negative one. So I can't go, like I can't go to your party, like no matter how hard I try, because I'm busy, for example. Then you can say どうしても行けない。どうしても行けません。Formally. 行く becomes 行ける if you want to say can go, right? 行けない cannot go. 行けます formally. 行けません cannot go formally. So どうしても行けません。例えばごめん、忙しくてどうしても行けない。ごめん、忙しくてどうしても行けない。Sorry, I can't go no matter how hard I try because I'm busy. So you can often translate it, I just can't do something. Right? どうしても行けない。I just can't go. Sorry. So for example, you just can't sit still. You can say どうしても plus can't sit still. Do you guys know how to say that? To sit still, you say じっとする。じっとする。Be careful. If you say like じっと見る, that means to stare. if you read manga, you will see that often in the panel, and it's when the character is staring at something. But if you say じっとする, there's no long vowel. It's just じっとする, and that's to stay still, to sit still. And parents often tell the kid じっとしていて, or more informally they say じっとしてて. This ていて becomes てて. So when somebody says 待ってて, that's short for 待っていて. Okay, like wait and be there, wait and sit there. So じっとしていて or じっとしてて. So, the potential form of じっとしている is じっとしていられる。じっとしていられる。Informally, some people omit that and say じっとしていれる。Again, じっとしていれる。But let's be correct here and say じっとしていられる。And the negation is じっとしていられない。I know it's mouthful, but じっとしていられない。So, I just can't sit still. You can say どうしてもじっとしていられない。どうしてもじっとしていられない。Formally, どうしてもじっとしていられません。Another example. どうしても1時間はかかります。どうしても1時間はかかります。It will take at least an hour no matter how hard I try. So maybe somebody tells me to, I don't know, fix something like in 10 minutes and I'm like, nah, it would take at least an hour no matter how hard I try. Okay, so どうしても1時間はかかります。And if you want to specify it takes an hour to do what, you can say このパソコンを直すのにどうしても1時間はかかります。このパソコンを直すのに no nominalizes the verb 直す。And when you see this のに plus かかる, it means it takes this amount of time or money or whatever to do something. Again, have a listen on this. So check it out. Alright, that's it for today. どうしてもチャンネル登録をしてほしいです。I want you guys to subscribe, give a thumbs up, no matter what. And if you guys are like, I just can't. Like, どうしてもできない。Make an exception for me. Make an account and subscribe, please. どうしてもチャンネル登録ができないっていう人も、私のために特別にチャンネル登録をしてください。冗談じゃない。Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, like I said. So many times already, maybe twice, only twice, 3 times, I don't know. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, because I like to talk about a lot of things. Or do I? I don't know, mainly Pikachu. But maybe you'll get to learn something new about me. じゃあまたね、バイバイ。